name is Gift Sanyanawe. I'm the co-owner and founder of Jubilee Pig Farm. Jubilee Pig Farm was founded by two guys. I'm one of the faces behind the founding of the farm. What I would like to say is with farming, you barely go wrong. You barely go wrong because there's 1,000 mouths that need to eat on a daily basis. So that's our motto. With farming, you never go wrong. So that's why we are here. And currently, we are sitting on a 8 sow unit, which we have reduced from 15 because of the economic challenges in the country, and because of the drought that we've been experiencing in the past 2 years. We mainly rely on producing our own feed, but when there is drought, it becomes a challenge because we currently don't have a permanent water source that we are using. So we are looking forward to increasing our sow rate. By the end of the year, we're hoping to go back to 15 or to about 20 sows. That's what we are aiming at the moment. And also, we have our 5-year plan, which is to set up our own retail outlet here in Blawayo, and we hope it to be the biggest and with the best pork produce.